You have a nice walk-in pantry with outlets here too.
And we kept the laundry on the side. We were able to keep the laundry there.
Laundry here, and the electrical panel.
Yeah.
That also got moved. This used to be back there. None of that was there neither.
Well, because remember that area in the master that we said we converted? Yep. That part was part of this living area over here.
That's right.
And so there was like a little weird configuration here where this wasn't even there. There was
it was very oddly spaced. Yeah, this was a whole wall.
This was a whole wall. This was one room, and then they had like a little hallway to go behind the kitchen.
Yeah.
And so.
And actually, Michael did.
They were using that as a pantry.
Yeah, Michael did a lot of this configuration here on the floor plan to make the flow work. And it turned out really
amazing.
Really well.
Yeah.
And then we used to have a full bathroom here, and since we kind of played with the space a little bit, we kind of shortened. Yeah, it's just a half. So we went from a 3-bathroom to a 2.5. This used to be like a tub on the corner, but we already have a tub in the other guy's bathroom. We usually don't like kind of losing spec per se, saying going from a 3 full bathroom to a 2.5, but it worked out in this case.
It did. It's perfect, because why would we need a tub here in the kitchen, the kitchen area?
Yeah, so just the powder room there.
Yeah, that's the powder room. So that's that, guys. And again, remember I said that there was a small entryway here?
True.
So there was a small entryway here, and there was a small entryway here.
And you know what? There used to be a half wall here too, babe. There used to be a half wall here, and then like a built-in cabinet. Yeah. So all this got opened up.
All this got opened because this was 2 separate rooms. Now I remember.
Yeah.
True, babe.
I remember.
Good thinking. See how it's important to watch the previous, because you lose perspective.
Good thing I took my upbeat this morning.
Mine is kicking in.
Mine is a little slow this morning. I think I like the Apex better.
I don't feel mine yet.
But here we kept it pretty much the same.
That's what I was saying. That there was a small entry here, and then there was a wall right here. So what we did, we widened this out.
Oh, there used to be a wall here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We widened it out.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. And we always like to do an island. And here we would have done a peninsula and opened that up.
Yeah.
However, if you look through the attic, there's an overlay for the addition, the slab addition to the PM beam. So that made it a little challenging up there. That's when we kind of had to start reconfiguring our initial plan.
Being more creative with the floor plan.
And sometimes, you know, you plan it out on the initial scope, and as you start opening up walls and seeing things that are somewhat hidden, you just gotta change a little bit and go with the flow.